How to fix TikTok effects not showing. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can fix the problem if your TikTok effects are not showing up. First of all, go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store according to your device. Simply search for TikTok application. Make sure that it's updated to its latest version. After this, go to your device settings. On iPhone, you can go to General. Then go ahead and tap on Apps. From here, simply search for TikTok application. Scroll down and go to Storage and then click on Clear Cache. And on iPhone, simply upload the application and reinstall it. If that does not work, you can go to TikTok and then tap on your profile to go to your profile page. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top. Go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and go to Free Up Space. And then tap on Clear Cache. Tap on Clear again to confirm, and you'll be done. Now log out of your account and log back in, and this should definitely help you resolve the problem. So if this video helped you get back your TikTok effects, please leave a comment and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.